All right, it's gun season here in Illinois. Heading out to my main lease before we pack up and head to Rushville this weekend. I got tags for both here and Rushville, Schuyler County, so we're gonna try to get after one here tonight. Right over there, where the big ones are. We're just gonna hope that maybe we can get one or a doe or whatever to maybe step out. But we're just hunting a field edge here, so we're gonna get that wind in our face. I don't think cutting across this field will be too horrible. Worst thing's gonna happen, they're gonna catch our boot print. Taking care of them shouldn't be a problem with the old muzzle loader here. I got it strapped to my back. We're just gonna get in this hedgerow over here, have the wind in our face. If a deer steps into this field, we'll be able to see it and possibly shoot at it. Let's do it. Tripod so I can reach out there and 150, 200 yards, take a crack at one. I'm just hoping a big boy or even a nice doe comes out and gives me an opportunity to just lay the hurting on her. Doe down, baby. I don't care what it is, doe, buck. I don't care if it's your first deer, your 50th deer. You get pumped. I gotta go recover my deer. Well, here she is, right where she fell there. Finally got one on the board with the old camera behind me. It's been a long, hard season filming. Had a lot of fun, I've learned a lot. I look forward to our group just getting more and more kills under our belts and just getting better experience and getting better footage. It's been